replacing front wiper blades on a 2002 Toyota Camry. So we're gonna go ahead and get this little tab. We're just gonna pop it towards you, and then to take it off, sometimes they're a little stuck, so you kind of wiggle it side to side and pull and push away from you until it comes off, just like that. And just make sure that don't let it go, because it is spring loaded and you can crack the windshield. So kind of let it down slowly. If you have anything like a rag or anything like that, to put it in between. Okay, now we're going to be reinstalling. So this is this type of wipers. So to get this one open, you kind of squeeze this little tab. You can see the little ribs on here. Kind of squeeze and pull back towards you. And same concept as the other one. We're just going to go over that loop on this little hook right here. Just make sure that it goes in just like that. Pull, make sure that you feel that little click on there, and then push down on that tab. Just make sure that it's secured. That's how you do a wiper blade.